Let's solve one previous question of graph theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2010, question number 28. The degree sequence of a simple graph is the sequence of the degrees of the nodes in the graph in decreasing order. Which of the following sequence cannot be degree sequence of any graph? And we have 4 degree sequence and 4 options are given. So it is asking which degree sequence cannot be degree sequence of a simple graph. We'll apply Habil-Hakim algorithm to check whether this degree sequence is a degree sequence of a simple graph or not. Now first degree sequence 7, 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what we'll do, we'll remove this 7 and we'll subtract 1 from the next 7 degree. So this will be 5, this will be 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next we'll remove this 5 and we'll reduce next 5 degree to 1. So this 4 will be 3, this 3 will be 2, this 3 will be 2, this 2 will be 1, this 1 will be 0. Next we'll remove this 3 and next 3 degree will reduce to 1. So this will be 1, this will be 1 and this will be 0. So we got 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Now we'll remove this 1 and this 1 will reduce to 0. So we got 4, 0 and this 4, 0 is the degree sequence of a simple graph. So you can do 4 vertices, let A, B, C, D. This is a simple graph, right? There is no self loop, no multi-edges. This is a simple graph. So first degree sequence is a simple graph degree sequence. Next we'll check the second one. 6, 6, 6, 6, 3, 3, 2, 2. So first we'll remove 6. After removal of 6, next 6 degree will reduce to 1. So this will be 5, 5, 5. This will be 2, 2 and this will be 1. So we got 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, 2, 1. We need to arrange it again. We'll remove this 5 and next 5 degree will reduce by 1. So this will be 4, 4, 1, 1, 1. Next we'll remove this 4. So next 4 degree will reduce by 1. This will be 3, 0, 0, 0. If we'll remove this 3, then this will be 0, this will be minus 1, this will be minus 1, which is not possible. Second degree sequence is not a simple graph degree sequence. Next third sequence 7, 6, 6, 4, 4, 3, 2, 2. So if we'll remove 7, then next 7 degree sequence will reduce by 1. So this will be 5, 5, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1. Next we can remove this 5. This will be 4, 2, 2, 1, 0. And this one will be same. Next we'll remove this 4. So this 2 will reduce to 1. This 2 will reduce to 1. So this 1 will reduce to 0. This 1 will reduce to 0. We got 1, 1, 3, 0. So when you remove this one will be 0 and this is possible. We already know 4, 0 is possible. So this is a degree sequence of a simple graph. Next check fourth degree sequence 8, 7, 7, 6, 4, 2, 1, 1. So when we'll remove 8, next 8 degrees should be reduced by 1. So this will be 6, 6, 5, 3, 1, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are just 7 degrees. We need to change 8 degree, right? So this is not possible. 8 is not possible. So option 4 is not a degree sequence of a simple graph as there are no 8 degree. So this degree 8 is not possible. And in question it is asking which of the following sequence cannot be the degree sequence of any graph. We found first and third sequence can be degree sequence of simple graph, whereas second and fourth cannot be degree sequence of any simple graph. So just check in which option second and fourth is given. It's present in option D. That's why answer will be option D, second and fourth. I already discussed Habil-Hakim algorithm. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.